Today we talk about how can you use gift cards on your Walmart app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on services down here. When you click here on services here, it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down here. So then you come here to gift cards, click on it here. So when you just click here on gift cards, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come to this list, come here to give a gift card, click on shop now. So then when you just click here on shop cards or shop now, then it's going to take you to this list here. So just switch into open video. So then here it's going to show for you all products. Can you pay it with gift cards here in this list? So can you just select it and add your card list? Then it's going to, or card gift, then it's going to add with you here, or pay this card gifts here. You have here, like you see, there is a lot of card gifts. Can you find it here in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.